Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing an issue with the body of your Dyson V8, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to wear and tear over time or accidental impacts that can damage the outer casing. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage or even affect the performance of the vacuum cleaner, making it less effective in cleaning your home. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools and materials: a crosshead screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement body parts specifically for the Dyson V8, and a soft cloth to avoid scratches. First, ensure the Dyson is switched off and unplugged. Begin by locating the screws on the underside of the machine. Using your crosshead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Be cautious as you do this, applying too much force could damage the internal components. With the casing removed, you'll see the area where the body is damaged. Look for any cracks or loose fittings. If you spot the faulty component, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. Make a note of where each cable connects to ensure you can reattach them later. Now, remove the damaged part by unscrewing any additional screws holding it in place. When replacing it with a new body part, ensure it fits snugly and securely. Reattach the cables, making sure they are correctly connected as per your earlier notes. To reassemble, gently press the casing back into place, ensuring that all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not excessively, as this could strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, turn on your Dyson V8 and check if everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure that the body is secure. To prevent this issue from arising again, try to handle your Dyson with care, avoid dropping it, and consider storing it in a safe place when not in use. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.